Alright, y'all, so I have the strap over the bucket, and then I got one chain and two binders, and then I have my anti-articulation bar locked in, and then I have the one chain and two binders in the rear as well, which makes it DOT compliant for weight. Good morning, YouTube. So I've been driving for about 3 hours now. I'm almost to Wyoming. I'm on the 84 right now. I think there's about 10 miles or so before I get on the 80. My 34 was good. I greased the truck and trailer up, and I put my LED headlights in, which are a lot better than the stock halogens. So we made it for a nice view at night to be able to see. That is one thing about these trucks that is like the first thing people change is the headlights. I'm gonna probably deliver this around noon. It might be a little bit afternoon. I don't know. I'm shooting to not have to do a 30-minute break before I deliver, but depending how traffic in Evanston's way station is, I might have to do a 30-minute break somewhere. I didn't start filming earlier because you guys wouldn't have been able to see anything. So, but I'm going through the canyons right now. Yeah, other than that, it's been an easy morning so far. I am looking to get a mic and a tripod, so that way it's easier for you guys to be able to hear what I'm trying to say. The one thing that I will say that bugs me is why people have to fly through a truck stop. It's not a race. You don't have to go 60 miles an hour through a damn truck stop. You got trucks trying to park, pulling out, you got people walking. Like, yeah, they should be watching for you as well, but there is no reason for drivers to have to go 60 miles an hour through a damn truck stop. It just blows my everlasting mind. It's probably one of my biggest pet peeves. That and the people that leave their lights on at night. I'm not talking about parking lights, I'm talking about their actual headlights. But anyways, of course, Wyoming's got to be Wyoming. I pulled in the scale. They checked me. It wasn't oversized, which I already knew. Go and bring my paperwork, and it just starts dropping this white stuff again. But let's continue on. Alright guys, we're here at our delivery. Just going back here. You can kind of see to my right the loading dock. rocks, so nice wide open area. All right, that's perfect.
It's gonna be annoying. Oil these guys up.
Alright, y'all, so I delivered that wheel loader here in Fort Collins. I had about 2 hours left on my clock, so I went down to Bethaud, to the Loves here, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be here for the night. I don't have anything yet, so hopefully I'll get a plan here shortly, just so that way I know for the morning. But other than that, I mean, it was an easy load. My pew just turned off. Interesting. It's hot. It's like 70 degrees. I wish I could get the truck washed, but that'll be a tomorrow thing. So it's about 3:25 today, so I've been up for... Hey, good morning, YouTube. We got a load. We're gonna pick up a milling machine out of Pueblo, Colorado, going back to California, and we'll see. They're gonna send me the southern route. Thank God the 40 westbound through New Mexico is open, instead of going over the pass, which is fine by me. So hopefully I can get this truck washed. I was hoping to go back to the yard to get this bumper replaced so I don't look like a Swift driver. But I'm gonna take the miles and the loads as I can. So we're gonna get going here. I'm just letting the truck warm up just a tad bit, build some air, and we'll get rolling. All right, y'all, we're about 7 miles away from our pickup here in Pueblo, Colorado. Denver traffic was bad, but it wasn't the worst I've been through. Colorado Springs was easy, which I assumed since it was 10-ish when I went through. I got one more exit, and then we'll take that. I gotta measure this, make sure I'm not over height. There's a possibility I could be over height, not width, but I'll measure it like I normally do. It's supposed to be 8 foot wide and 10 foot tall, so we'll see. If I'm not over height, it's gonna be close. So. Right now. All right, so I'm gonna deal with some traffic. Should be fun. Y'all, we're here. Alright, y'all, we're here. You're gonna hear a buzz. I'm gonna do my ELD crawl all the way through here. Been to this one, so there they are. Said we might have to drop the trailer, so I'm gonna park right here out of the way for now, and then we'll figure it out. All right, y'all, we're all loaded up. I'm gonna go do a checkout here, and then we'll be on our way towards Mexico, and then hopefully I can get my truck washed here. So I'll catch you guys here in a bit. Y'all, we are back, and we are in New Mexico. Just went through the Boron port of entry. No issues there. Did inspection. I say inspection, I mean a load inspection, securement inspection. With myself, no DOT. looks like I'm not going to get a truck wash today. By the time I get to a beacon, which I can go anywhere, but closest beacon is in Gallup, and I won't get there till well after the guys in the office leave, so I won't be able to get an EFS code for that. I could pay for it myself, I'm just not gonna. I'll just wait till tomorrow and I'll get it washed first thing in the morning. That way I can check the weather too. I was hoping I could get it today, just because it'd go on April, or it'd go in April rather than May. But it is what it is. So tomorrow I'll try to get the truck washed before I continue on to California. So come on, Texas. I know you drive faster than this. No point in me passing. But anyways, I'm on the 25 South in New Mexico, and I'm not really sure exactly where I'm going to stop. I know once I hit Albuquerque, it's about, I was saying it should be around 7 o'clock. We'll see. I'm not stopping in Gallup, I can tell you that. So. Alright, fuck it. But this load is an easy load. It was just a pain in the butt to load. This is one of those moments where I really wish I had a tripod. So, but it took forever. These machines are, it's like a smooth rubber. If you've never really seen up close, like a smaller road milling machine, and how their wheels are, not the track versions, but the wheeled ones. It's just smooth rubber, and so when you're trying to get it up the ramp, which is gravel, which most John Deere, Cat dealerships are, they would just start spinning, and then they don't like to climb anything. So we were playing around with 2x4s, and like they had a couple step-up ramps that were made out of 2x4s, so I could get on my trailer. It was a pain. We had to use a telehandler to use a chain and pull it forward, lift the front end up. Like I said, it was one of those moments where I really wish I had a tripod, but it'll come within at some point. So, but the truck's running good. Trailer's pulling straight. Everything's staying secured. I tightened up one chain just to be on the safe side. It wasn't loose by any means, but I'm one of those people that I like the chains being as tight as possible. The strap it's securing it, but it's not tight, if that makes sense. It's tight enough where it's not going to flop around, but there's locks on the finally 75. There's locks on it, so it means it's not going anywhere. All the strap's really doing is holding it straight, because it will wobble a little bit. Other than that, pretty simple. 2 chains, 4 binders, and then a strap. Can't really complain on that one. So about 104 miles to Las Vegas, New Mexico, and 168 to Santa Fe. So, but as for now, let's ride. All right, y'all. So I stopped in Jamestown, New Mexico. I have about an hour left on my clock, but I'm gonna stop at the Blue Beacon tomorrow and get the truck washed. Hopefully Flagstaff. I need to look at Flagstaff, or I'm just gonna get it washed in Kingman or Flagstaff. It just depends. I know Flagstaff had snow, so I want to get my truck washed and get it all crappy all over again. But I had, like I said, I had about an hour left on my clock, so there was no point in trying to go through the border and then trying to find a place to stop. So I just stopped here just to be on the safe side, and we'll start this tomorrow. All right, y'all, I picked up this work gen milling machine. This is how I secured it. I got 2 in the front and 2 in the back. For these rear ones, it would have been easier if you had a clevis. I don't know if this boom goes down any farther. I see a lock there, and then it's cabled. But I put a strap over just to make it a little bit better. But it's sitting on the ground. It's only about like 20,000 pounds. All right, good morning, y'all. We are on the 40 going westbound. We just left the Pilot or Flying J. We got fuel. I put about 115 gallons in just to fill it up. I'm 914 miles away. I could have driven farther last night if I wanted to, after I did 7 hours, which to me there was no point. But we're gonna stop here and gallop at the Blue Beacon and get this old girl washed. She's been a little rough since day one, so make sure my damaged bumper looks all, really shiny. So, but no, I just don't like having a dirty truck, and with this being a black truck, it shows everything. So it's supposed to be nice for a few days, so I figured, it'd be a good time to get the truck washed, and hopefully I can polish up some things. So I'm going to shoot for Bakersfield today. I don't know if I'm going to get there. It's going to be interesting to try to find parking, so that's why I'm curious on exactly when I'll get there. So depending on traffic and everything else, we'll see where we end up today. I would have liked to get as close as possible, so that way I can unload and hopefully get a reload tomorrow and get out of California again. So that would be nice, but we'll see. All right, y'all, we're in line to get this baby shined up. I was kind of expecting more trucks than just the one. Well, I guess 2, because there's 1 in there. But this is a normal beacon that I stop at. Normally it's before I go home. But we're gonna sit here and wait in line for a bit, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright, y'all, just went through Flagstaff. It sucks I'm so close to home and I couldn't stop, but as you can tell by the hood, the truck's nice and clean. I picked up a few bugs on the way, but it's been an easy day, easy load. So thought about stopping at this Pilot and doing my 30-minute, but I still got more time before I want to do my 30 minutes, so I'll do it probably before I hit the California border. Not exactly where I'm going to stop today. I have options that I'm thinking, it's just I don't know which way, so yeah, it's beautiful out. It's 60, there's Route 66 Harley Davidson on the left here. It's a smaller dealership, but nice in there. Really haven't had to deal with too much traffic today, so that's a plus. I don't remember that pilot being there. I don't know, maybe you guys know if that pilot right here by Hughes Ave and just after Flagstaff or before, depending which way you're going, if that's a new one or not. Because I don't honestly know. But yeah, I like it up here because it's, you know, you still got the pine trees, and that's more of where I'm from, not just sand. That's the one thing I really don't like about, you know, obviously I live in the desert, but I hate the desert. Like, I love the desert, but I hate the desert. What are you doing? Oh, you're painting stripes. Okay, I guess I'll slow down. Man, that shit came out of nowhere. You would think they'd put up signs. Yeah, I'm just saying. Arizona does some weird things. Like, hey, let's not tell anybody beforehand. Let's just have a truck with an arrow basically standing still. I don't know. It's just me. Just me. Totally forgot what I was going to say now. If anybody that watches my channel knows where you can get aftermarket 3406E injectors, comment your suggestion on my channel, and then go to Trucking with Fitz and comment on his last video. He bought a reman cat injector, and he thinks that's part of the problem, so he's looking at companies to replace his injectors on his FLD with his cat engine. So comment on his channel, give him a follow if you don't. Just let him know where you know, a good, decent aftermarket injector for his 3406E would be. Yeah, I'm just, it's going to be an easy day, so I wanted to get you guys a little bit of the view of the northern desert, what I like to call it. I guess you wouldn't really call it desert, but northern Arizona. But I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, y'all, I'm in Boron, California. I'm going to stop here at the Loves just because I have a bad feeling if I try to get to the pilot I wanted to stop at, there's going to be no parking, and I've been right 99% of the time. I've had gut feelings, so I know there's spots here, so that's why I'm going to stop. It leaves me about 325 miles for tomorrow, but that's fine with me. I can start off early, which is what I kind of like to do anyways. So ended up moving to a spot that way I can just pull out tomorrow and I don't have to worry about it. But I don't know if you can see this truck has the through the bugs, but it had the Hulk J&D transport. It is one nice setup here, and then I have another Pete next to me. There's a lot of long noses in this parking lot right now. There's a W9 right there as well. On the other side, there's a bunch of 389s. I think that's a Hurricane truck, but I didn't go down there to check. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We're gonna end this video here. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.